Medicine has evolved purely from bedside symptom-based clinical practice to a technologically driven science. The advancement in the diagnostic tools, right from MRI to CT scan, PET scan, genetic diagnostics, point of care diagnostic, have not only revolutionized the medical practice approach to clinical practice, but it has also increased our reliance on these technologies significantly. And this has probably gave rise to an important debate. Well, newer advanced diagnostics, are they leading to end of era of clinical medicines? Respected chairpersons, judges, and members of this August gathering, I extend a very good afternoon to all of you. I am Dr. Uday Kumar from Banpur Hospital, and I will be talking in favor of this debate. The advanced diagnostic technology, particularly AI-assisted diagnostic tools, genomic testing, microfluidics, wearable monitoring devices, are facilitating a fundamental transition in clinical practices, rendering what is called what we used to have from subjective and reactive, where we used to wait for the symptoms to appear and then react, to a more data-driven, proactive, and personalized approach, rendering the conventional hands-on clinical skills less pivotal as this technology assumes a more prominent central role. We will be talking about the few technological innovations, and one of them is artificial intelligence in diagnostics. It has capability of detecting very intricate diagnostic patterns within the complex data and providing very enhanced accuracy in diagnosis with precision and consistency. Moreover, it also decreases the margin of error in diagnosis. The margin of error is being considered as one of the fourth leading cause of death worldwide. Now we're talking about the few diagnostic tools, AI-assisted diagnostic tools, which are significantly reshaping the clinical approach in medical practitioners. Microsoft AI Diagnostic Orchestrators. This AI uses a panel of virtual agents to simulate a medical team's reasoning, and it has achieved 84.5% accuracy in diagnosing complex cases compared with 20% by a control group of doctors. Another tool is Google DeepMinded Health. It has achieved 94.5% accuracy in diagnosing over 50 eye diseases from OCT scans, surpassing human capabilities. Another innovation is the wearable healthcare devices and continuous monitoring. It provides us taking the continuous health data of patient in real time from outside the traditional clinical setting, making the more better evaluation of patients' status and management. It also empowers the patients to take control of their health and share the data directly with the healthcare providers for better management. Point of care testing has already taken momentum in the emergency setting in critical care and trauma settings. It provides faster diagnostic with reduced wait time and give us better option to management. Genomic medicines and precision diagnosis. The gene sequencing technology identifies genetic mutations linked to specific cancers and inherited disorders, enabling yearly proactive and targeted interventions. Pharmacogenomics is another tool which provides us tailored drug prescriptions based on individual's genetic profile to optimize efficacy and minimize adverse effect. Another AI tool, what is called the Tempus Next, which combines AI with genomic sequencing and clinical data to recommend personalized treatment plan for cancer patients. Telemedicine and remote diagnostics has evolved significantly since COVID-19 pandemic, enabling access to healthcare from remote locations and transforming how patients receive care, from virtual consultation, telemonitoring to mobile health apps. With permission, can I have 2 minutes more? 2 minutes now.
Time is up.
Can we allow? 3D printing in medical diagnosis. 3D printing enables the creation of anatomical simulation with detailed models of organ, allowing healthcare providers to study disease progression and plan appropriate surgical interventions with precision. Nanotechnology is another boom in diagnostic fields, uses quantum dots and biosensor to improve diagnostic imaging and accuracy. Advanced biopsy technology like liquid biopsy and optical biopsies reduces patient discomfort with faster result and enhanced diagnostic accuracy again. Lab on a chip technology delivers a cost-effective diagnostic with quick turnaround of result in a portable and easily accessible format. Data security has become another concern, and the blockchain technology is becoming an integral component of the healthcare ecosystem, ensuring that sensitive diagnostic data is securely transmitted and accessed exclusively by the authorized persons. Now, all these diagnostic innovations with speed and efficacy, accuracy and consistency in diagnostics, having capability to recognize complex data pattern beyond human cognitive capacity and providing targeted individualized treatment protocols have fundamentally transformed the medical approach in clinical practices from being reactive to proactive. So I like to rest my speech with a quote from Dr. Jane Smith, a healthcare innovator. The integration of technology in healthcare is not just an option, it's a necessity. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.